This morning, we're bringing you something new. It's called the Uplift at 8, and it's where we share stories that will bring you some joy to start your day. Vlad has today's edition. Vlad, hello. What do you got for us?
So sometimes the things that bring the most joy, seeing others experience it, right? We can all agree to that. That is the case for this college-bound student. Take a look at this.
You got it, Cynthia.
Wait. Wait, really? Wait. Oh my God.
That is Cynthia Obifuna and her mom finding out that Cynthia's hard work has paid off. The 17-year-old was selected from hundreds of applicants to be part of the inaugural class of the KIPP Rales Scholars Program. The scholars are chosen based on academic achievement, perseverance, leadership potential, and commitment to service. Each receives $60,000 for college and gets mentoring and career guidance. KIPPS is a nationwide network of public charter schools. 88% of their students are from financially disadvantaged communities. Cynthia, who loves science, plans to double major in neuroscience and human rights at Columbia University. Roar Lions Roar. Cynthia is amazing. She founded an initiative that pairs young scientists with other scientists in their chosen field so that they can be just like her.
I love the KIPP program. $60,000 is a big chunk for your college.
That's
a
life
changer. Yeah.
That's
a lot of
time.
money.
joke. And to not have that debt means it's more than 60, really, because if you took out 60 in loans, it would be 120 in 10, 20 years. So
Exactly right.
big deal. Vlad, thank you very much. I do
got
feel
it.
uplifted.
Do you feel a little uplifted?
I do.
Do you feel a little uplifted, folks?
We'll see.
We're going to be here every day.
We'll see you or someone we know back with another.
I'll be here all
tomorrow.
week. All right.